I'm Lance Manning. I am a board-certified otolaryngologist, which is a head and neck surgeon, and also board-certified in facial plastic surgery. I've been practicing in Northwest Arkansas for 15 years.
I'm Dr. Missy CLIFTON. I'm a board-certified dermatologist. I've been practicing in this area for the last 17 years, and I'm really excited about our new MD Hair Labs coming to Northwest Arkansas.
At MD Hair Labs, we've focused a lot on the people and the process and the patient, and those are just the central pillars of what we're doing.
We really want to offer a really personalized and customized treatment for every patient that walks into the clinic with us.
We have been looking for a technology that we can trust, that we're enthusiastic about, and that we have a lot of confidence in as a solution to provide hair restoration. We finally found the Artas robot. People will come in the morning of the procedure. We will go through the whole plan with them. We will shave the areas that need to be shaved. We'll mark the back of the head for the harvest site. Then we'll map what we're going to do with respect to that. We'll do some numbing in some very key areas along the back of the scalp to numb up the whole back of the scalp. We'll use the robot in small grid areas to harvest hair, and then they'll have a break before we reset to do the transplantation and implant the grafts, typically in the front. We'll inject some material called PRP, or platelet-rich plasma, to act as a very nutrient base to implant the hairs. We'll make small punctures along the hairline that has been designed. Then we use those tiny little punctures to place the grafts in. And then they'll go home. They'll have, their normal activities with regards to what they'll eat, what they'll do. We have them sleep sort of sitting up. That's the process and kind of what people can expect the day of the procedure and immediately afterwards.
I've had the pleasure of working with Dr. Manning for about 6 years, and Dr. Clifton, anywhere in this area, you pretty much know who that is. There's nobody like these two, period. Our ultimate goal is to ensure that our patients leave here feeling better about themselves.
Patients come in and they see us and we do their consult. We really want to give them that confidence and just show them what the possibilities are. Their biggest concern is, how much is this going to hurt? There has been no complaints during the procedure. After the procedure, they feel great. It truly is hardly any pain.
Many patients that come to see us, they've felt like it has impacted their confidence. As we bring them through this restoration process, we walk with them, with our team, and use the best products, the best procedures, and the best people to make them feel more confident.
I look forward to really giving them that sense of self-worth and security back. Anyone with hair loss questions, we welcome you to visit our website at mdhairlabs.com. We would love to have a personal consultation with each and every one of you. We would really like to talk to you about your options and really give you world-class care here in Northwest Arkansas that you really can't get anywhere in the region.